In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some of the best serums to pair up with your prescription tretinoin. Anytime I'm talking about tretinoin, there is one question that I get asked the most, and it's what types of serums can I actually use with it? Because not everybody knows what products and ingredients play up well with tretinoin, so it gave me an idea to film this video and to share some of the serums that I love using with my tretinoin. And for reference, I am using the Retin-A brand tretinoin cream at a 0.05%, and the serums that I'm sharing in this video, I have all used them individually, so I know that they work on their own, but when I pair them up with tretinoin, it maximizes results, and I see quicker results when I use specific ingredients and products with my tretinoin at nighttime. Now, I don't use all of these serums together in the same skincare routine as tretinoin because that would be way too much. I might use one or two and that's it. And depending on the state of my skin, whether I have a lot of post-acne marks, maybe my face is really dry and irritated, or I just want anti-aging and I just want to firm and stimulate collagen, I do have different serums that I like to resort to for these concerns. So depending on your skin type and concerns, I'm sure that you will find at least one product in this video that will speak to you. And of course, I will be linking all of these serums in order in my description box below, along with discount codes and related videos. Now, if you're watching this video and you can't use tretinoin or you just don't know where to get it, you can still use a retinol, a retinaldehyde, or even a dapiline with the serums that I am sharing in this video. So you don't necessarily have to have this product in hand for all of these serums to work better. As long as you are using some type of vitamin A product, then you're good to go, honestly, and these products work great on their own, like I said. So the first product that I love using with tretinoin, and this has to be one of my favorites and the one that I use the most, is the Allies of Skin Multi-Peptides and GF Advanced Lifting Serum. I have talked about this serum quite a bit here on my channel. It's one of my favorites from the brand and one of my favorite peptides / growth factor serums. So peptides, as most of you know, can help to firm the skin and stimulate collagen. Great as a preventative, great to soften fine lines and wrinkles. Now, growth factors can do the same thing, right? It's great for stimulating collagen, but growth factors have the ability to repair the skin barrier. So if your skin is irritated, it's dry, it feels like it's sensitive, growth factors can speed up that healing process with the skin. Now, as you know, with tretinoin, with retinol, or even a retinaldehyde, these can irritate the skin and cause some dryness. So growth factors are great to have in the same routine as tretinoin because they help to repair the skin. Plus, we have glycolipids and phospholipids in here. So these will help to deeply hydrate the skin and also aid in skin repair as well. So this is one of my favorites with tretinoin because not only is this going to stimulate collagen and also firm the skin, and this really does firm the skin, it hydrates the heck out of your skin. It's also plumping and very repairing, and I find this to be so gentle. So you can use this every day, twice a day. So sometimes I will use this in my morning routine, but I usually always use this before tretinoin. So remember, serums are generally applied before thicker based products for proper absorption because of consistency. So always remember thinnest to thickest in terms of application. And I do have an ongoing 20% off discount code with Allies of Skin, so I will leave that on screen as well as in my description box below. There's a few other products that I will be mentioning from this brand as well, but this one is truly 10 out of 10, and it does contain 3 types of growth factors. Now, if you don't want to go with Allies of Skin, I also really love the DRMTLGY Needleless Growth Factor Serum. This is a fairly new product that they came out with last year, and I really love the texture and the consistency of this. It's actually very similar to the Allies of Skin, but I find this serum to be a little bit thicker, and it's also very hydrating on the skin. There's peptides in here, but this one has 5 bioengineered growth factors. So similar idea, it's still going to repair the skin, hydrate, stimulate collagen, and firm, but it just has different ingredients in it. And if you love dermatology, I would definitely recommend this product here. This is way better than the original needleless serum in my opinion, because I love the growth factors in here, and this really does firm the skin, and I find this gives a glow to the skin as well. And I do have a 20% off discount code with dermatology also. So if I'm not using the Allies of Skin, sometimes I will switch it up and use this one instead, and sometimes I will use this in my morning routine as well, as this can also be used twice a day. The other serum that I really love using with Tretinoin is by Allies of Skin. This is the Azelaic and Kojic Advanced Clarifying Serum. Now, usually I am using my prescription Finicea azelaic acid gel at a 15% concentration. That one is more of a cream than a gel. I usually use that with Tretinoin, but sometimes I will use this instead because this also has azelaic acid, but instead of the 15%, this is a 10%. Anything above 10% with azelaic acid is considered a prescription. So this is a 10, but you can find azelaic acids on the market that are lower than a 10 depending on preference and skin tolerance. Now this is very gentle in my opinion. I've never had an issue with this serum being irritating or anything, but this also contains kojic acid at a 1%. And kojic acid does a very good job to brighten the skin. It's actually a tyrosinase inhibitor, just like azelaic acid. So it actually helps to stop the overproduction of melanin in the skin. So if you have redness, azelaic acid is a great ingredient to incorporate. If you're acne prone, azelaic acid is also great to use. And I do have some redness. I am acne prone, which is why I use my prescription-based azelaic acid with Tretinoin. But I like this serum because it has the kojic acid, so another ingredient to brighten the skin. It's also very hydrating. There's squalene in here. I find this to be quite plumping as well. So if I have had a lot of breakouts and I have a lot of post-acne marks, this is a serum that I love to incorporate in my routine, no matter what. But it pairs up really well with Tretinoin, and it actually speeds up that process in terms of brightening the skin and evening out my skin tone in a shorter amount of time. So it fades those post-acne marks so quickly when I pair it up with Tretinoin, and I really love this. So great for those that have discoloration, dark spots, also great for those that have redness, you're acne prone. I would say this would be a great serum to incorporate, and this can also be used every day, twice a day, but I don't usually use this in my morning. I usually keep this for nighttime. The next serum is the Ordinary Amino Acids plus B5. So if your main concern is just hydration and that's it, this is the serum that I would 100% recommend. It is so affordable, yet so effective. I've been talking about this serum for over 7 years, and I cannot get enough of it myself. I use this on an everyday basis. I love it, morning and evening, I'm using it. And this is a really nice serum that is ultra lightweight. It's not sticky or tacky. It's not heavy, perfect for all skin types. Even if you have the oiliest of skin types, this is still perfect to use on a daily. And this is especially great paired up with Tretinoin because again, Tretinoin can cause irritation and dryness. And this just helps to prevent and eliminate some of that dryness. It's not going to eliminate dryness completely, especially if your skin is prone to dryness with retinol and Tretinoin. I mean, I still get flaky to this day around my mouth and even between my eyebrows, and I've been using Tretinoin now for over 6 years. I think I'm going on 7 years. I really need to check my calendar and see exactly when I started Tretinoin. I feel like this is the 7th year now that I'm going on it. 7 years this fall, to be exact. I'm pretty sure. And I still get flaky. So this really helps to keep the skin hydrated in those deeper layers of the skin, and it just keeps your skin looking radiant and healthy. I mean, this is great to use no matter what skincare product or ingredient you're using, but it just keeps your skin nice and hydrated, and it's like prepping the skin for your Tretinoin. Now, I should have mentioned at the beginning of my video, especially if you're new to Tretinoin or retinol, it's always best to put Tretinoin on skin that is dry or as dry as it can be. Now, when you're using serums before Tretinoin, yes, your skin typically never dries down completely skin-like. You will have a little bit of tackiness to your skin. Your skin will look a little glowy in the mirror. But if you can just allow things to absorb and maybe dry down a little bit, 15 to 20 minutes, if you want to wait longer, that's fine, before putting tretinoin on, then that truly is the best, because if you put tretinoin or even retinol on skin that is damp, it just allows your tretinoin to penetrate quicker into the skin, which isn't a bad thing, but it could lead to further dryness and irritation for some people. So it's always best to try and put tretinoin on skin that is a little bit drier, and this is a great product to use before tretinoin, like I said. So wait 20 minutes after applying this and then put your tretinoin or retinol on top. Same with the other serums that I mentioned previously. Another lovely product is the Ordinary Soothing and Barrier Support Serum. Now, if the amino acids just isn't hydrating enough, you just don't find it's enough when you're using tretinoin, then you have to check out this one. This is not only going to hydrate your skin, but it's also going to repair your skin as well, keeping it healthy and keeping it balanced. If your skin is ever compromised from tretinoin, it's very dry, it feels tight, you have redness due to inflammation, your skin is burning, it has that itch, use this. Use this until your skin feels like it's normal again. But you can also just use this every single time you use tretinoin to maintain skin health, to maintain hydration, and to help eliminate further irritation down the road. So this is great to use no matter what, every day, or just pull it out when you need it. It's that pink serum. It's milky, it's thick, it's rich. The vitamin B12 is what gives the coloring of this serum, and the vitamin B12 is great for the dryness and also great to reduce the look of facial redness, and it really does help with that. There's also Centella asiatica in here, ceramides, gallic acid, which helps to calm and soothe the skin. There's a lot of good ingredients to hydrate and repair that skin barrier. And this is actually a cheaper alternative to neon modulating glucosides. And I love that serum. And I was gonna feature it in this video instead of this, but I thought, you know what? This doesn't get enough hype. I do hear some people talking about it, and the people that talk about it get it. They just know how good this is. So if you haven't tried this, you're truly missing out, but also it's good to have on hand for when your skin is angry. It just works so well to bring your skin back to that normal state. And I think that this works really well. So if you want something for hydration and skin repair, this is great to have and use before tretinoin. And the last serum that I'm going to be mentioning is also by Allies of Skin. This is the beta-glucan and resveratrol advanced hydrating serum. Now this is also a great one to use in your morning routine. So use this one twice a day. If you're using vitamin C in your morning, this actually pairs up really nicely with vitamin C. So this has beta-glucan. So this is a humectant that deeply hydrates the skin. There's also ceramides in here that help to strengthen the barriers. So a very hydrating, repairing, plumping serum. Now the resveratrol is an antioxidant, so great for signs of aging, great for calming the skin, but resveratrol helps to protect the skin from pollution, which is why this is great to use in your morning paired up with vitamin C, because vitamin C also helps to protect your skin from pollution. So pair this up with any type of antioxidant and you are good to go. There's also metacascoside, and this helps to reduce the look of facial redness. It's a serum that kind of does a little bit of everything, very gentle, and I just love this with tretinoin because it just helps to keep the skin nice and hydrated and also strong. So this is a great one also from Allies of Skin. I have that discount code, so again, I will leave that below for you. These are all of the serums that I love using with tretinoin. And again, I don't use all of these with it. I just pick one or two, and then sometimes I like to switch it up depending on the condition and the state of my skin and what I want from my skin. So feel free to switch it up here and there, but try to be as consistent as possible because consistency is key to see results. And I will link all these products below for you along with discount codes and related videos. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask away. Let me know if you're using any one of these serums alongside your tretinoin. I would love to get a conversation going. And if you're not using any one of these, what is your favorite serum to use with it? But until then, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And of course, I will see you all in the next video. Take care, and I will see you all then. Bye, guys.